How to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever faced a frustrating could not refresh feed error on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today we are going to solve that problem in just a few simple steps. So, in order to fix the issue, first thing first, let's check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or have strong mobile data signals. In order to check your internet, you need to go to your settings. Once in the settings, you need to tap on Wi-Fi over here and make sure you're connected to the strong internet connection. After you have done that, you need to check if there is an update available for Instagram. In order to check for updates, you need to go to your App Store. Once in the App Store, you need to tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of your screen. Then you need to scroll down until you see the Instagram app. Now you need to simply tap it open, and if the update is available, then you need to simply tap on update over here. Now that the app is updated, you need to go to your settings, and once in the settings, you need to scroll down until you find the Instagram app. Once you find the Instagram app, simply tap on it and make sure that you have given access to all the required options over here. And that's it. This might help you fix the issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.